Welcome to our video series, Learn Rhino 3D in 11 Simple Ring Band Projects. In this video, I'll take you through working with the viewports. Let's go ahead, open Rhino, and navigate to New Model. In our last video, we learned about setting up our project, so let's go ahead and give our project a name. I'll navigate to the Layers panel, and I'm going to rename the default layer to Pyramid. I'll also rename Layer 1 to Torus. Then I'll go ahead and delete the remaining layers. Ensuring the pyramid layer is current, I'm going to type in the pyramid command and draw a pyramid on the work plane. Next, I'll ensure the torus layer is selected. I'll go ahead and select it, enter in the torus command, and I'll go ahead and draw a small torus beside the pyramid. As you can see, the viewports are used to view your designs. The defaults and the ones most used are top, perspective, front, and right. We can maximize a view by double-clicking on its name. For example, let's go ahead and maximize the perspective viewport. To go back to the foregrid view, we'll either double-click on its name again here or select the grid icon. Let's see what each view looks like in a bit more detail. Let's go ahead and maximize the top viewport. When we're looking at an object in top view, we're looking at it from a top-down perspective or a bird's eye view. Now let's go ahead and look at our objects in perspective view. I'll go click on the menu here under perspective to maximize that viewport. Perspective view allows us to view an object from its entirety or a world view. For example, if we rotate the camera controls, something you'll learn in the next video, we can see multiple facets of our objects. From side to side, up and down, or even from the bottom. Now let's take a look at the front viewport. In front view, objects appear as if we were at an eye level looking directly at the object. And finally, we'll go to right view. In right view, we are at eye level looking at the right side of an object. Let's return to perspective view. The default view mode is wireframe. In wireframe mode, we can see the outlines or wires of our model. To change the view mode, simply right-click on the work plane, and let's go down and select Shaded. Shaded view mode shows the surfaces using their layer colors as well as the wire outlines. Let's go ahead now and change our view mode to Rendered. In Rendered view mode, we're seeing a simulated view of how the object would look in reality. I'll go ahead and change the view mode to Ghosted. And now we can see our objects are slightly translucent. This is especially useful if we have objects that intersect. For example, if I move the torus towards the pyramid and deselect it, we can now see where they intersect in Ghosted view mode. These are the most common view modes you'll be working with. There's others, of course, that you can explore at your leisure. You should now have a good overview of working with the viewports and manipulating the view mode to change how you view your objects. That's it for this video. Stay tuned to learn how to use camera controls as you view objects.